One major pain point for iPhone users has been how to make custom ringtones, and most times Android users tend to laugh at iPhone users and say that they're using dumb phones. I use an iPhone and it's not dumb. I use a special ringtone, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I made that ringtone. There are three things that you'll be needing. You'll be needing data, you'll be needing your iPhone, and you'll be needing GarageBand. GarageBand can be found in the App Store. It's free of charge and it's quite easy to use. Now let's dive into it. You might want to turn your screen to your tab. Okay. Once you have opened it, accept the permission requests, then tap the plus icon to create a new session. Use the audio recorder, the voice aspect of it. Open the song sections and set the bars to 30. Apple allows a minimum of 30 seconds for every ringtone that you create. Then switch off metronomy. It looks like a drum with a drumstick. Open the song editor, then open your audio file, the icon that looks like a loop. It's best to have downloaded a song so you can choose your preferred websites where you find your free songs. You can equally use songs saved on Apple Music as well. For me, I'm using a song by a South African. Shout out to them and their music because it slaps like Kilo Day. Okay, let's go back. Once you are done, you can drag it back to the song editor. Just long press on the song and the song editor will show up. Edit your song to your liking. You can use any parts of the song as a ringtone. Once you're finished with your editing, tap on the down facing arrow on the left side of the screen and choose My Songs. Once you choose that, it will save the song that you just edited. In the browser, long press on your saved song and select Share. Choose Ringtone, rename your ringtone and save. From that same page, you can set it up as your ringtone or even use it as a text message alert. You can go ahead to set up multiple songs as ringtones with this same method. To use other songs, just go to Settings, then select Sounds and Haptics, then change your ringtone as you desire. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please share this video, send a comment if you tried it and it worked, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.